Hello, everybody. Welcome to all, and I hope everything is fine. Okay, so in today's lesson, we learn about inquiry letter, and in this letter, we'll discuss what is inquiry letter and what are the parts of inquiry letter, okay, and its form, format, and also some examples. So let's start the lesson and learn how to write an inquiry letter. Okay, but let's know first what is inquiry letter. So the question here, what is inquiry letter? An inquiry letter is a formal letter. As we are writing formal letter to any office, it's not like that. It is also a formal letter, and it is written to inquire and to get details regarding something that a person wants. Means this letter is written to know about the details regarding our or whatever may be, which things we want to know further. Okay, something that a person wants to gain further knowledge about, whatever may be, any item, any institution, or okay, any things which he wants to purchase. Okay, so here you may see this is a pictorial, it's not a pictorial, what you can say, means of the letter. It is inquiry letter. It is a formal letter. It inquire and get details, and also it must include, we will know what is formal letter. It because it follows the format of the informal, sorry, format of the formal letter. Next, there is some word limits. That is, you have to write the letter within 100 to 120, in between 100 to 120 words. And next things, what to inquire, what to know, you have to know, means you have to inquire the details of an item which you want to buy. Next, a course of study, whatever may be, any course you can inquire to any college, any course, okay, any vacation trip, any places which you want to visit. And most important things you have to mention, that is sender contact details, sender address, and details inquire about, means you have to write what things you want to learn or you want to know about, you have to mention them. Let's see the format. Okay, in inquiry letter you'll find, okay, first you have to write the sender's address. That includes what, an email address or phone number if required. Sometimes you have to write such an email address or phone number. That means as the format which we are following in formal letter, the same, first have to write the sender address. Sender address means the person who is writing the letter, that is called the sender's address, the person who is sending the letter. Just below you have to write the date, that in standard format. Okay, 25th December, 27th August, it's not like that, 5th June 2020, like that, it is a standard. Next, you have to mention receiver's address, the person who is going to get the letter, who is going to receive the letter. It may be company, it may be any shop, it's not like that, any person. You have to mention his full address, that means. Okay, Next is salutation. Sir, respected sir, dear, madam, Mr., etc., etc. You have to mention that is dear sir, respected sir. That is called the salutation. Okay, then thereafter we have to mention the most important thing, that is the subject of the letter. Okay, we have to write it precisely, shortly, briefly. Okay, in few words or in a sentence, we have to write the subject of the letter. Next, body of the letter. What is there in the body of the letter? Okay, at least you have to, means not at least, but you can say we have to make 3 paragraphs there. Okay, less than 3 is also okay. You can write that, but at least you have to write 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you have to introduce yourself and also the purpose of writing the letter. That is the first thing. What you have to introduce, and next, why you are writing the letter, you have to mention there. And next thing, in next paragraph, details of the inquiry, why you are inquiring it, why you wish to know it, you have to mention there. Okay, and also the things which you want to know, you can make it in by point or in by paragraph. You have to write in paragraph 2 of the body, and last or third paragraph, that is the concluder endings. Okay, that is concluder ending. And next we have to write the complimentary closing. Yours, okay, yours faithfully, yours, etc., etc. You have to mention there in complimentary close. And last, the ending, that is sender's name, signature, designation, if any you have to mention. If you have any designation like that, principal, secretary, okay, store in charge, whatever may be, okay, president of that club, or etc., etc. You have to write, if any designation you have to mention there, but you have to mention your name. And also you have to put your signature. This is the format of the letter. Okay, you may see it once again here. Sender address include email and phone number. If required, then date. Below address, leave one space or line, then mention the date. In every part, you have to leave a space, one line. That is the receiver address. Next, and then the salutation. Okay, then salutation, then subject, then body. In body first part, in first paragraph, you have to introduce yourself, the purpose of writing, why you are writing, you have to mention that. Then details of the inquiry, then conclude or ending. Next, complimentary closing and signature, name, and designation if any. Did you? Okay, so let's know how to write the letter. Okay, here this is a question. Just suppose I have not mentioned anything here. Okay, suppose someone else just fill up your own name here. Okay, then mention the date. Then it has been written about a coaching center. Okay, summer coaching. So mention the name of any coaching center here. Then the subject. Okay, then this is the salutation. Respected sir, madam. You can write, if it is personal, then dear Mr., Mrs., and then you have to mention the name of the recipient, the person who will receive the letter. Next, just listen how I am. Okay, I have started. Write your name, a student of IV Swampada. It is as I have mentioned, any school name here. And I'm writing to inquire about your summer course, which I saw advertised in English daily newspaper, The Hindu, today. In today's newspaper, I noticed that there was an advertisement about your coaching institution. Okay, I recently passed the class 9th exam. Okay, suppose you are in class 9th, then you have to mention just you pass the class 9th and you are going to a class 10 students, then you can mention. Then I will study for class 10th. Please could you let me know the following details with respect to the course. Okay, this is the first paragraph. I introduced myself and also the purpose of writing here. Okay, the next things here, the detail of writings here. What do the things which I want to know? That is, first one is the duration of the course. Next one, the charges of the total course. Okay, third one is accommodation facilities. If is there any accommodation facilities or not? Okay, next, whether to pay in lump sum or installment. In what way I have to pay my money or fees. Number of faculties. Okay, how many faculties are there? How many teachers are there? Next, any other necessary details. Okay, such as timetable, etc., etc. That is the necessary details. Okay, I wrote here to these things. I want to know these things here. Next, the third paragraph. I would be grateful if you can give me detailed information about your coaching institution. The third paragraph, I requested. It's not complimentary. Closing that. Sorry. Okay, the third paragraph. It is the ending. Information about your coaching institution as early as possible. Then I look forward to hearing from you. Then it is the complimentary. Yours sincerely, a man. Okay, I have to write the name, if any designation, etc., etc. Okay, this is just a demo letter, an example letter I have given you. Another another sample letter with a question. Okay, you are S. Santanu of class IX, secretary of library club, OIV Shwampada. You are the secretary. You are S. Santanu. Okay, you are the secretary of the library, OAV Shwampada Ghoshipura. Okay, the new book in the series of Harry Potter and Wings of Fire have come out. Okay, a series of Harry Potter and Wings of Fire book has been come out to market. Write a letter to the manager, Knowledge Book Store, Bhubaneswar. Means whom do you write the letter? You have to write the manager, Knowledge Bookstore. The bookstore name is Knowledge Bookstore. That is in Bhubaneswar. Why? Inquiring about the availability of the complete series of Harry Potter. You are just inquiring to know about the availability, whether it is available or not. The complete series of Harry Potter. And also here, yes, for your school library. Okay, write the letter in not more than 100 words. You have to write within 100 words. Okay, let's start. Okay, who is the it is the sender address. Who is the sender? Our name is Secretary of Library Club. Whoever may be. That is A. Shantanu. Yes, no? He is the Secretary of Library Club, OIB Shwampada Ghoshipura. This is the date. Then I have mentioned the date. Okay. 2 Feb or 2nd February. Sorry, it has been 2020. Okay, yes, 2nd February 2020. Yes, the manager, Knowledge Bookstore, Bhubaneswar. This is the receiver address. Okay, the person who will receive the letter. Okay, next. This is a respected sir or others only sir or dear sir, whatever we have to mention sir. Then subject. What is the subject? Inquiry availability of Harry Potter children's series and Wings of Fire, whether these are available or not. Then I have started the new book in the series of Harry Potter and Wings of Fire. Okay, have been launched last December. I want to inquire if the whole series of Harry Potter consisting of 4 books and Wings of Fire are available at your prestigious store. Okay, we would like to purchase. We means the whole library would like to purchase 3 sets of these books for our school library. Kindly reply at the above mentioned address. Please also mention the latest catalog. Okay, list mentioning. Okay, new arrivals. If is there in new arrivals, new books is coming, mention there. And your then next is your sincerely P. Santanu Das. This is the then you have to sign here, name, then the designation, secretary, library club. Okay, you have to write like this. Okay, that is I show you two types of things. First, in first letter I told you, first you have to, if it is easy then do it. If you are okay finding easy this one, then you can write like this. It is you have to mention what three things, that first your address, yes or not, your own details, then the purpose of writing, then the details of inquiry, then ending, yes or not. But here something else I told directly. Okay, I told directly here about the details of my inquiry. Okay, and this is, but one thing, the things which I have made it here in just highlighted in red color from two, these are not necessary to write here. Okay, in some letter you will find from here just they have mentioned this part, then that. Okay, but this is the standard format, and it is the what we can say, and the formal writing of letter, so you have to mention this format. Okay, the next one is, that is another letter. Okay, read this one also, and that is for the product inquiry letter. It is about to buy anything else of the okay, sender is Bepari S. Okay, flat number 20 was Maharaja apartment, Ghazipura Road, Ramchandrapur, Keonjhar. Okay, then the date 17 July, is not. Then we have to mention Mr. KK Mohanty, Lakshmi Digital Private Limited, Lakshmi Sagar. Okay, Bhubaneswar. Dear Mr. Krishna Kant Mohanty. Okay, KK Mohanty. Then the subject. It's not. Then the subject, product inquiry letter. What someone is wishing to know here about a product detail of any mobile or an Android smartphone. Okay, he has mentioned here. I read it and know about the letter. I hope everybody understood how to write the inquiry letter. It's not. Okay, thank you.